In which country is there a punishment for having two children? A. China. B. North Korea. C. None. Correct answer is C. None. How many players are there in a Kabaddi game? A. 7. B. 9. C. 11. Correct answer is A. 7. How many times can the same person be made the President of India? A. Only once. B. Twice. C. No limit. Correct answer is C. No limit. What is the capital of Manipur? A. Shillong. B. Imphal. C. Aizawl. Correct answer is B. Imphal. Who is called the Queen of Spices? A. Cardamom. B. Clove. C. Turmeric. Correct answer is A. Cardamom. What was the childhood name of Lord Buddha? A. Siddhartha. B. Rahul. C. Gautam. Correct answer is A. Siddhartha. To whom are the matters related to the presidential election sent? A. Supreme Court. B. High Court. C. Election Commission. Correct answer is A. Supreme Court. Whose signature is there on the Indian note? A. Prime Minister. B. Finance Minister. C. Governor. Correct answer is C. Governor. What is the national sport of India? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Football. Correct answer is B. Hockey. What is the national bird of Bhutan? A. Crow. B. Himalayan monal. C. Pheasant. Correct answer is A. Crow. Which country has two presidents? A. Switzerland. B. San Marino. C. Bolivia. Correct answer is B. San Marino. Which country does not have a single airport? A. Vatican City. B. Monaco. C. San Marino. Correct answer is A. Vatican City. What is the minimum age to become a chief minister? A. 25 years. B. 30 years. C. 35 years. Correct answer is A. 25 years. Which is the safest country in the world? A. Iceland. B. New Zealand. C. Denmark. Correct answer is A. Iceland. Which is the fastest running animal in the world? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Leopard. Correct answer is A. Cheetah. Who is known as Captain Cool? A. Virat Kohli. B. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. C. Rohit Sharma. Correct answer is B. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? A. Chilka Lake. B. Bhoolar Lake. C. Sambhar Lake. Correct answer is B. Wooler Lake. In which country was the first banknote in the world made? A. India, B. China, C. America. Correct answer is B. China. Where were the Olympic Games held in 2014? A. London, B. Sochi, C. Rio de Janeiro. Correct answer is B. Sochi. Which is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Ostrich. Correct answer is B. Giraffe.